Hello children, so how are you all? So we have to factorize a cube minus 2 root 2 b cube, alright? This is a very interesting sum. So we have to convert this into a perfect cube, right? And how do we go about? Let's get started. So a cube is already made up. Here for 2 we can write as 2 root to the power 2 dot, we already have root 2, and then we have b cube also, correct? Now we have root 2 here and 2 root 2 here, which means we can write as root 2 b whole cube, correct? So now this must remind you of the identity. Hence we lay out these two cubes, okay, difference of these two cubes in this manner. So our next step would be, what is my a? My a is a here. What is my b here? It is root 2b, got it? And here we have a square already. My a is, okay, a itself, so a square, and when my a is a, my b is root 2 b, correct? And here we have b square, means root 2 b needs to be squared, okay? Now let's simplify, children. A minus root 2b will be written the way it is. Here we have a square plus root 2 ab, and here we have root 2 into root 2 is 2, and b into b is b square. So this is my answer, children. I hope you have understood, and if there is still any doubt, please do write to me in the comment section. It will be appreciated. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.